Hey folks, it's CMS here, and I'm the voice behind the Great Information for Tools channel. I want to thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, and I realize I have not uploaded a video in a very long time, and for that I apologize. My focus has been elsewhere, and I've been occupied running a thriving consulting business as well as operating 9 eBay stores. I wanted to touch base with you and encourage you to subscribe to my 2 new channels, Cooking with Salesforce and Cooking with eBay. I'm using Salesforce to track valuable leads and opportunities for my eBay business. My e-commerce sales have increased dramatically after the shutdown, and in my opinion, e-commerce will continue to grow as people look online for ways to do business. Salesforce is a wonderful customer relationship management tool that allows me to stay on top of what I'm doing and keep in touch with important prospects and customers. Please consider joining me on those channels. The links are provided in the description below. While I would love to add more videos to this channel in the future, right now I'm focused on these 2 new channels. But someday I'd like to come back to this channel and I'll add more content. In the meantime, I hope you'll join me at the Cooking with Salesforce and Cooking with eBay channels. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at what I'm doing today. I appreciate you. Thank you and have an epic day. Go get 'em.